I just built a dropshipping store that's generating $1,000 per day, and I did it in less than 10 minutes. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can do the same. Alright, my name is Santiago, but online I go by Ecom Santiago, and for the past 5 years, I've been in the dropshipping space, and I've generated millions in sales through multiple dropshipping stores. But here's the thing, dropshipping has completely evolved. Long gone are the days of spending weeks building a store, manually adding products, writing descriptions, and praying that your store actually doesn't look like trash. The reality is that in 2025, if you're still building stores the old way, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table. I know what you're thinking, Santiago, there's no way you build a profitable store in 10 minutes. That's impossible. Well, I thought the same thing until I discovered what I'm about to show you right now. And the best part is you don't need any technical skills, design experience, or even product knowledge to do this. Now listen, before we dive in, just make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to learn how to make money online through dropshipping. My mission is to help people achieve financial freedom, and the video is a big part of that. Alright, let me break down why most people fail at dropshipping. First, they spend weeks building their stores, choosing themes, customizing pages, writing product descriptions. It's exhausting. Second, they have no idea which products will actually sell, so they end up testing dozens of products and burning through their budget. Third, their stores look amateur, which kills conversion rates. Nobody wants to buy from an online store that looks like it was built in 2010. And finally, they get overwhelmed with the technical aspects, connecting payment processors, setting up fulfillment, creating upsells, and end up quitting before they even make their first sale. When I started, I spent over 30 hours building my first store. Yes, 30 hours. And guess what? I made exactly $0. But that all changed when I discovered Atlas A.I. Listen, Atlas A.I is revolutionizing how we build dropshipping stores. It's basically an AI-powered store builder that creates high-converting Shopify store in a couple minutes. But this isn't just another AI tool that spits out generic templates. Atlas actually creates fully branded professional stores that are optimized for conversions from day number 1. So let me show you exactly how. Alright, for step number 1, I basically start by finding a product that I want to sell. For this example, I'm going to be using this neck traction device. It's pretty popular right now among dropshipping. All I do is go into AliExpress, I search the link of the product, and then I copy the link. Now for step number 2, you're going to go to Atlas A.I. You can find the link to the website in the description. Basically, through this link, you can either connect your Shopify store, or it's going to take you into the Shopify App Store, so you can download the Atlas A.I. into your Shopify App Store. Now, as soon as you download the app and you are inside your Shopify dashboard, we're gonna paste the link right here. You're gonna select AliExpress and you're gonna paste the link. And now for step number 3, we're basically gonna click right here where it says generate store, and Atlas immediately starts analyzing the product, creating descriptions, and pretty much building out the entire store structure. Now for step 4, as you can see right here on my screen, Atlas gives me the options to select product images. I basically choose the best ones that I feel like are high quality and that actually showcase product benefits. For step number 5, this one is very important. You can actually customize the store colors, the name, and the branding. For example, for this case, since it is kind of a health related store, I'm gonna pick these products right here. I feel like those are the best colors for this niche. Now for step 6, Atlas also gives you the option to create product bundles and upsells. This is very important if you want to increase your average order value. In 2025, increasing the average order value is extremely important because you can increase your profit margin. Ad spend nowadays is very expensive, so I strongly suggest you to go ahead and create these product bundles so you can essentially increase your average order value. For step number 7, I literally review the AI generated product descriptions, which as you can see are already optimized for conversions with benefit-driven copy, bullet points, and most importantly, social proof elements. And now for step 8, with just one click, we're gonna click right here where it says import everything to my Shopify store. And just like that, my professional dropshipping store is now live. The last step is you're gonna click right here on online stores. You're gonna publish the Atlas theme, and that's how your store is gonna be 100% live. And that's it. In less than 10 minutes, from start to finish, we have literally built a fully functional dropshipping store that's literally ready to make sales. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's great, Santiago, but is it actually making $1,000 per day? Let me show you actually a few results. Look, for example, there's a store I built using Atlas. It started generating sales within the first 24 hours of launching. For example, by day number 3, it was already bringing consistent $300 to $400 a day. For example, as you can see right here, from day number 3, it started bringing consistently $300 to $400 every day. And as you can see, by the end of the first week, we pretty much crossed the first $1,000 a day mark. And most importantly, the conversion rate is sitting at 4.2%, which, to be honest, it's absolutely insane for a new store. Because if you didn't know, the industry average is about 1 to 2% for new stores, because that's currently the testing phase. Now listen guys, why is this converting so well? Well, pretty much because Atlas doesn't just build a store, it actually built a real brand. And most importantly, the product pages are optimized with professional product images, benefit-driven copy that speaks directly to your customers, trust badges and guarantees, built-in scarcity and urgency elements, customer reviews and social proof, upsells and cross-sells that increases the average order value. And the best thing is that all of this happens automatically without me having to write a single line of code or spend hours designing any product page. There are 3 main reasons to why this approach is so effective. First of all, speed to market. Listen, while others spend weeks building their stores, you can just test multiple products in a single day. This basically means that you can find winning products faster and scale them before a market gets saturated. Second, professional branding. Atlas creates stores that look like established brands, not basic dropshipping sites, and this dramatically increases customer trust and conversion rates. Third, conversion optimization. Listen, every element of the store is designed to convert visitors into customers, from the product page layout to the checkout process. Everything is literally optimized based on data from thousands of successful stores. But here's a real game changer. Atlas also creates AI-enhanced product photos, so this alone can double your conversion rate because perception is reality in e-commerce. When your product looks high quality, customers perceive it as high quality. Alright, so how can you get started with Atlas and build your own $1,000 a day store? Well, first of all, you gotta click the link in the description so you get access to Atlas. They offer different plans starting at just $29 a month, but you can try it for free for 3 days to see if it's right for you. Second, you're gonna find a product that you wanna sell. You can use AliExpress, Amazon, or even existing Shopify products if you already have a store. And third, you gotta follow the same exact steps I show you in this video to generate your store in under 10 minutes. And finally, you gotta drive traffic to your store. You can use Facebook ads, TikTok, or even organic methods like I teach in my other videos. Listen, the beauty of this approach is that you can test multiple products quickly without wasting weeks building stores that might not convert. Now, I know some of you might be thinking like, Santiago, isn't this cheating? Shouldn't I learn how to build a store properly? Well, here's my answer. Would you rather spend 30 hours building a store that might fail or 10 minutes building a store that's optimized for success from day one? Dropshipping is about testing products and finding winners. The store is just a vehicle for selling those products. And Atlas lets you focus on what really matters, which is finding products and driving traffic. But what about customization? Won't Atlas stores look the same? Well, not at all, because Atlas gives you full control over your store's branding, colors, and layout. Plus, you can always make additional customizations after the store is generated. Is this sustainable on the long term? Absolutely. Once you find a winning product, you can reinvent your profits into building a real brand. Actually, many of my students start with Atlas and eventually they transition to custom build stores as they scale up to 6 and 7 figures. Alright, listen, dropshipping in 2025 is all about speed, efficiency, and conversion optimization. Atlas A.I gives you all 3, allowing you to build profitable stores in minutes instead of weeks. I've personally used Atlas to build multiple 6-figure stores, and it's completely changed how I approach dropshipping. If you want to try Atlas for yourself, just click the link in the description, and if you use my link, you'll get an exclusive discount that's not available anywhere else. Also, if you enjoyed the video and you want to learn more about how to make money with dropshipping, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. I post new videos every week with strategies, case studies, and step-by-step tutorials. Now drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll personally respond to as many as I can. And remember, financial freedom isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. And I'm pretty sure that building a $1,000 a day store in 10 minutes definitely is working smarter. Now thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.